get asked a lot of questions about the small and medium manufacturing base. These business owners and the operators and technicians, the machinists, they have more work than they know what to do with. They don't have the time to stop and think, how can I do this job necessarily better? They don't have the opportunity to go and look at a better purview. What is my business? Where do I want it to be? What technologies, now that I know that purpose, do I need to execute that strategy? The biggest challenge we have seen is that it's not competence. They understand technologies and how it might be used. These factory owners, and most of the time family business owners, they understand the benefit. They don't have time to execute. Every single factory I've had a chance to walk through, people wear multiple hats all the time. So how do we take the stuff that's distracting off of their plate? Digital manufacturing is really one of those key tools, but the adoption has been very challenged by the busyness and the nature of the busyness inside these factories. That's where I see the Manufacturing Extension Partnership, the MEP program, being so vital. Their job each day is to help you, the small and medium business, do better at what you do well already, and then take off of your plate those things that need to get done, but you don't have the time to go do it. And they started that with bite-sized projects. They didn't take a whole of nature approach to all this stuff, solving everything all at once. There was one project with one Excel and one website. And they started to understand with that visibility, what did they need next to make the whole productivity equation better. All of those go for naught if you don't take the technology through a business lens. This is where the profit and loss statement really does come into play. Show me how the technology gives me better visibility on my profit and loss. Show me with the technology how I ensure my quality is right the first time. Show me with the technology how this business succeeds over generations because we have transparency, because we have accuracy, because we have profitability. How do you take technology like digital manufacturing tools and techniques and allow the business owners, operators, and technicians and machinists to do what they excel at and offset the things that are distracting to them and allow the business owner to become a better business driver?